I don't know how this tank is gonna be. It's gonna be stinky. That's what you needed, fool.
Wait, dude, you're the one who had problems. I thought I played well, man.
Yeah, I thought he did too. I thought you played well.
You're pretty locked in on some sticky brother shit.
I'm the world's biggest trash can. Yes, I'm the world.
Fuck this take.
Really?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Wow, really?
Yeah.
I was feeling it.
Erase it. I don't even want to fucking
Wait,
Really?
wait, what?
I'm the world's biggest trash can. Yes, I'm the world.
I thought it was good, dude.
I wasn't feeling it.
What were you not feeling?
The vibe.
Really?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do differently?
Vibe.
Ooh, that's horrible, man. Ooh, that's horrible, man.
You want to bust mattress?
No.
You can come fill me up with all kinds of fucked up stuff. You can come fill me up
She got pissed at me because we're looking for titties.
tonight.
Needless to say, I'm single.
I'm the world's biggest trash can. Yes, I'm the world's. I'm the world. I'm the world's biggest trash can. Yes, I'm the world. Ooh, that's horrible, man.
We'll punch the break and then we'll punch that beginning of that second chorus.
Cool.
Is that right?
Yeah, that's it.
Ooh, that's horrible, man. You can come fill me up with all kinds of fucked up stuff. You can come fill me up tonight. Tonight.
Let me do build.
You can come fill me up with all kinds of fucked up stuff. You can come fill me up tonight. Tonight. 'Cause I'm the world's biggest trash can.
Okay. Aren't those lyrics fucking amazing?
Darren, I got a key tag!